What's up, guys? So as you know, we brought a 2022 Maxlider built Clydesdale Raptor Bronco to the show, and it's here in the Vision X booth. And I'm standing here with co-founder Joe Biro, and want to know, how's the show going for you?
It's good. You know, obviously this year we're in the new hall, which is amazing. You know, new booth, new look, new products, showing off a lot of the new stuff that you're building. You know, we have a really good reputation of working with companies that traditionally build a quality product. It's not really smart for us to put ourselves in line with companies that build something that's not quality, because it's not a fit. It's like putting a square peg in a round hole. It's not going to work. And that's why working with Maxlider works well for us, because you guys build a product that works, it's durable, it's aesthetically pleasing, and that coexists with our lighting line.
Met these guys early on. We began building the modern Bronco designs, and we knew right away that we had a great partner for our LED lights that we accent throughout the vehicle, not just because they look great, but because they're highly functional as well. And on this Bronco, we've got all kinds of your lighting. One of the things that we've really enjoyed is the fact that we've learned a lot about lighting. You're not just creating lights because you've got a wild idea for creating lights. You're creating lights because you're a driver.
We started the company because we all had a passion of going off-road, whether it was, you know, some of our employees love the overland. They've loved it before it was super popular like it is currently.
Right.
Me, myself, I've always loved off-road racing. I have guys that work with us that are rock crawlers. So we try to create, starting the company, we tried to create stuff that we liked, that we also know that our friends would like, but also at the same point, listening to people and what they needed, what was missing in the industry, and trying to be, we've never been really good at follow the leader. We like to take the risk.
Yeah.
We try it, we make it, we roll the dice. If it works, yay. If it doesn't work, oh well, throw it in the garbage, we'll try something else.
We talk all the time at our shop about solving Bronco problems. And we feel like your lights help us solve a lot of Bronco problems.
And we use your influences too. Like if you have an idea, like we've talked in the past, you guys have an idea, you wanted to do something, it's really super, it's exciting when we chat, when we have conversations with you and your brother, and we come up with ideas, you know, hey, what about this? We put a spin on it and we make it work.
I appreciate the relationship most because we're investing in each other, and because you guys have a passion for the same types of things. We're not going to be the cheapest solution in the market.
And we aren't either.
But neither are you, but it's going to be the best it can possibly be. And so solving Bronco problems, creating stuff that looks super cool, and helping you as a Bronco driver accomplish all your goals, whether it's on the road or off-road. So Joe, thanks for having us at SEMA 2022. It's been a lot of fun.
We've absolutely 100% complimented one another in the booth. The Bronco's amazing. People love the interior. They love all the bolt-on stuff, all the custom stuff. They're really excited. You guys knocked it out of the park, that's for sure.
Thank you. Well, you're going to see more stuff coming from us here soon, but thanks for checking us out. Joe, it's been a pleasure.